Welcome to the vibrant world of culinary exploration. Join us on a multi-recipe and cookery channel as we embark on a mouth-watering journey through a treasure trove of flavors. Our channel is a captivating fusion of creativity, tradition, and innovation, where every episode unveils a delightful array of recipes to tantalize your taste buds.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among lush green fields, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia loved cooking and experimenting with different flavors. Her favorite ingredient was tomatoes, and she dreamt of making the most delicious tomato sauce in the whole village. One sunny morning, Mia woke up with a brilliant idea. She decided to embark on a quest to create the perfect tomato sauce, using the freshest and ripest tomatoes from her grandmother's garden. She knew that the secret to a fantastic sauce lay in the quality of the ingredients. Mia put on her apron, grabbed a wicker basket, and headed to her grandmother's garden. The garden was a treasure trove of vibrant red tomatoes, bursting with flavor. She carefully selected the juiciest ones and filled her basket. Back in her kitchen, Mia washed the tomatoes thoroughly, removing any dirt or blemishes. Then, she placed a large pot on the stove and turned the heat to medium. She added a drizzle of olive oil and allowed it to heat up. Once the oil shimmered, Mia gently placed the tomatoes into the pot. She stirred them occasionally, allowing the tomatoes to soften and release their natural juices. The kitchen soon filled with the mouth-watering aroma of simmering tomatoes. Next, Mia added some minced garlic, finely chopped onions, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. She let everything cook together, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. As the ingredients mingled, the fragrance of garlic and onions wafted through the air. To give the sauce a burst of tanginess, Mia added a splash of balsamic vinegar. This ingredient lent a unique depth to the sauce, balancing the sweetness of the tomatoes. Mia also sprinkled some dried oregano and basil to bring out the natural herbal flavors. After about an hour of slow cooking, Mia turned off the heat and let the sauce cool slightly. Then, she carefully transferred it to a blender. With a quick whir, the mixture transformed into a smooth, velvety sauce. Mia poured the sauce into sterilized glass jars, ensuring they were tightly sealed. This way, her delicious creation would stay fresh for a long time. She admired her handiwork and felt a sense of accomplishment. The next day, Mia invited her family and friends for a special meal. She cooked a delightful pasta dish and served it with her homemade tomato sauce. As everyone took their first bite, their faces lit up with delight. The tomato sauce was a burst of flavor, perfectly balanced with a hint of sweetness and tanginess. Mia's dream had come true. Word spread throughout the village about her incredible tomato sauce, and people flocked to her doorstep, eager to taste her creation. She became known as the tomato sauce queen, and her sauce became a staple in every household. Mia's journey taught her the value of patience, quality ingredients, and a touch of creativity. From that day on, she continued to experiment with different variations of her tomato sauce, always striving to create new culinary masterpieces. And her love for tomatoes and cooking spread far and wide, inspiring others to follow their passion in the kitchen. And so, Mia's tomato sauce became a legend, reminding everyone that with a little bit of dedication and love, even the simplest ingredients can create magic on the taste buds.
Mia presenting a new culinary masterpiece, a dish that combines her tomato sauce with other fresh and colorful ingredients. Mia's kitchen filled with laughter and joy as she shares her love for cooking and her famous tomato sauce with others. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Subscribe to our multi-recipe and cookery channel and unlock a world of culinary wonders at your fingertips. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of recipes, tips, and techniques that will elevate your cooking game to new heights.